In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize and deploy a webhook URL within the n8n environment, specifically using the Retell custom function. This process is ideal for those looking to enhance workflow automation and is designed to be both informative and straightforward. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to copy the webhook URL from your n8n instance. This URL typically looks something like https://your-instance.app.n8n.cloud/webhook/hotel-retell-template. This URL is crucial because it's the entry point for your automated processes. Make sure you have it readily accessible as you move through the next steps. Now let's move on to modifying the Retell custom function webhook URL. For that, take a look at the template description provided in n8n, which often includes screenshots or additional guidance to help you along. The goal here is to ensure that the Retell custom function points to the correct webhook URL, allowing it to interact seamlessly with your n8n workflows. The next step is to edit the function itself. To do this, navigate to the area where the function is stored. It's crucial that you verify and, if necessary, customize the URL within this function to suit your needs. By ensuring the webhook URL is correctly modified, you're setting the stage for more efficient workflow interaction. Once you've edited the URL, take a moment to look at the logic within the set node. This is where you can decide whether to modify the existing logic or replace it entirely with your own custom flow. Are the current logic and data processing steps meeting your operational needs? If not, adjust them to align with your specific requirements. Tailoring this logic is key to maximizing the effectiveness of your workflows. With all these changes in place, the final step is deploying and testing your setup. By doing so, Retell will actively engage with your n8n workflow during any conversation, allowing you to see the results of your modifications in real time. Testing is an essential part of any development process, as it ensures that everything is working as intended and allows you to make further tweaks if needed. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to customizing and deploying a webhook URL using the Retell custom function within n8n. As you follow these instructions, remember the importance of each step in contributing to overall workflow efficiency. If something doesn't seem right, don't hesitate to revisit the configuration and testing phases to iron out the kinks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in enhancing your n8n workflow experience. Stay tuned for more insightful how-to videos.